Welcome to Trade with Bridge plugin. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the purpose of depth, how we can utilize it so that you can avoid the slippage. So you can see that this is a Zerodha depth for this particular strike price, and this is the Angel One depth for this particular strike. So this is the plugin what the middle portion is the plugin what we developed it, and you can see that both buy leg and sell leg for both the rows are exactly same, but the depth is different. One is having a 5 and another is having a depth 1. To execute a buy leg, um, the seller should be available and they should sell at a right price which you are expecting it. To execute a sell trade, buyer should buy at a required price what you are looking at. So that is a basic thing what we have to look at it before we execute any trade. So when you really look at it, the orange border, this is a buy leg. I am showing it in the angel one. The blue leg, I'm showing it in Zerodha. So for a sell leg, the blue one, we are interested on the bid side, not on the offer side. But on the buy leg, we are interested on the offer side or sell side rather than at a buy side. So this is the basic thing. You would have seen this depth in the Zerodha as well as in the Angel one. Let me explain more about depth 5 and depth 1. So you can see that depth 1 and depth 5, we are going to talk about it. So you take the buy leg is represented in the angel one. So you can see that buy leg of depth 5, what it means is you can see that the depth of fifth depth is going to be picked up, and that is what the price is 270. Same thing with cell leg. You can see that depth of 5 is 173.2, and that is what it is showing in the plugin. For a depth of 1, you can see that this particular violet color or pink color is representing the price of 265.65. That is what we are seeing it as a top next or top selling price, which you'll use this as a price to trigger a order. So next one is like on the sell side, you can see that the depth one is 175 rupees, and that is what we are showing at. So the more depth it is, less slippage you will get it. The less depth it is, you'll get a high chances that there might be a more slippage. So it is always better to go with a deeper depth, but at the same time, when you are at a deeper depth, your order may not be executed as what you are thinking about. So you have to take a middle ground between this, and based on your risk and risk of taking a slippage, you can configure it anything between 1 to 5. Ideally, it is good to have somewhere around 3. That will be a better thing for taking a trade and having a moderate slippage. Any questions or anything, you can reach out to me on this channel. I request you to subscribe to this channel so that I'll keep sending the plugin update as well as I'll keep posting the new features over here. And you can always reach out to me to ask for a new feature. I'm happy to help you out. Thank you.